Generators. Basic information. Generator and impedance matching module sets. Main parameters. Application. Dielectric welding. Dielectric heating. Plasma processing. Metallurgy. Medical. Research. Light-emitting plasma. Diathermy. Control options. Switches on front panel. Uptoisolated simple logic inputs outputs. RS-232. RS-422. Control options. RS-232 or RS-422. Main advantages. High efficiency in the whole output power range, low power waste and increase electronic components life. Excellent control possibilities and advanced data acquisition foldback SWR protection allows working with maximum safe output power under mismatch conditions. Power feedback mode reduces output power variations under mismatch load. Large safety margins and high-quality components. High efficiency. Many RF generator suppliers use linear technology, mainly AB-class amplifiers and fixed power supply. Such classic design is characterized by low efficiency in the range of small and medium output power. This causes large power losses. This leads to high component temperatures and reduced reliability. High efficiency. HF Industrial Technology developed and introduced high-efficiency technology based on saturated amplifier and variable power supply. This reduces power losses significantly, ensuring long lifespan and energy saving. Standard power control. Constant supply voltage. Many RF generator suppliers does not offer power feedback control, at the same time allowing to work with a certain load mismatch. However, even a small mismatch, in example SWR equals 1.5, can lead to power jumps or power drops, depending on the load impedance phase. Such conditions often make impossible to precisely control process, resulting poor final product quality. Additionally, they can damage cables, insulators or trigger security devices in case of overpower. Constant power. Power feedback control. HF Industrial Technology provides a special option. Feedback system which largely compensates the influence of the load mismatch. It allows the generator controller to automatically regulate the supply voltage of HF circuits so that the output power is as close as possible to the set value. Implemented power rise strategies. The generator allows to select the speed of the voltage level rise after switching on HF. There are 4 predefined settings. Slow. The voltage level is increased from the first to the target every 140 milliseconds. Fast. The voltage level is increased from the first every 70 milliseconds 2 steps. Voltage level increased in 2 steps. The first to a value as close as possible to 65% of the target level and after 400 milliseconds to the set level. 1 step. Full power is turned on immediately. Power levels. Each power level corresponds to a specific value of the voltage supplying the HF modules. When working with perfect match, this corresponds to the specific power outputs. In the case of a 2K50 generator, the rated powers for each level are twice as high. Apart from the power rise options, you can modify the output power characteristics in time by yourself. This is possible due to very fast switching between power levels, typically 0.1 seconds. SWR foldback. Maximum power under mismatch condition. Working with a high SWR may cause the generator operating point to be shifted to an insecure range, which may cause the protections to be activated and the process to be interrupted. For this reason, HF Industrial Technology generators has been equipped with an advanced power reduction system in the SWR function. This allows safe work with almost any load, maintaining the highest possible output. Topology. Generators are built from function modules. All generators have communication and control modules, as well as an oscillator with a preamplifier. HF gain blocks, green, are responsible for the DC to HF conversion. Each such block includes a step-down converter, HF amplifier, low-pass filter and HF parameter measurement circuit. The 1K25 model has one HF gain block, the 2K50 model has two of them. Data acquisition. Each HF amplification block has an independent measurement of FWD or F power, SWR, step-down converter output current voltage and temperature. Data is collected every 100 milliseconds and is available for external systems. In addition, data relating to internal supply voltages, temperatures and from the impedance matching module are available. Process control. Measurement of energy and other parameters. Power measurement at 100 milliseconds intervals allows to easily determine the energy delivered to the load. As a result, automatic, simple and quick verification of the correctness of the process parameters is possible. Additionally, almost every process has a signature of changes in key parameters. Taking into account the data from the impedance matching system, it is possible to compare current process signature with reference one. This allows, with almost certainty, evaluate each process. Low harmonics level. No noise in other bands. All HF industrial technology generators are provided with internal filters and harmonic suppressors. This reduces the content of undesirable frequencies in the output signal, thus reducing electromagnetic waves emission. This prevents interference on unauthorized frequency bands. Disclaimer. All values are typical under certain conditions. Different fixtures can affect circuit performance. All information contained in the presentation is tentative. For more details, please contact HF Industrial Technology. Voltages and currents, especially high-frequency ones, can be varied for humans and other living creatures. High-frequency voltages and currents can generate high-intensity electric and/or magnetic fields, which can be dangerous for humans and other living creatures.